Hey guys, welcome into today's video. I just showed up to the slush meet. We're doing this one specifically for Ken Block, which I'm sure you guys have heard by now, passed away about a week ago in a bad snowmobile accident. And we just thought we'd throw this all together. And I don't know about anybody else on here, but Ken Block definitely was a huge inspiration for me, and I'm sure most people in the car community. He made a big difference. He inspired everybody. He showed how to mix new manufacturers with motorsports nowadays, because everybody knows it's kind of dying out, which really sucks for me and everybody else. So I'm gonna go meet up with all my friends and see if I can get some of their take on here, and we'll take a look around. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. CRX is the way to go.
Seems wild.
That'd be sick. Oh my god.
Look at the kitty.
They sell them still. Yeah.
Drift it on the car.
Fuck no.
But that cat's wearing a cowboy hat.
Okay.
I don't want it.
You won't let Colin wear a cowboy hat.
No, it didn't.
It's not sliding.
It didn't charge.
Let's put some plastic on the
I have
tires.
PVC tires.
She dead. Yo, pop the hill, let's charge it.
Yeah, jump start.
The charger, like, it just keeps saying ready to charge and then doesn't charge the battery.
Yeah.
Well, it kind of works.
Yeah, it works for like a second, but I think I'm just
what?
slowly like killing the
Tony.
My drift car.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, bro, everything needed charged. Always the
Oh.
problem. Every time I want to play, it's like, damn, my battery's not charged. Fucking fast.
Dude, I placed the
It
bid on
dead,
the
no worko?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll show you.
Okay, hold on. Let me get under there. That damn skid. What'd you do?
Fucking jumped it.
Is that 4Runner? Jump it. That's sick.
Yeah, I did one in the neighborhood too, like on like a big ass dip, like going down and then up. And it was pretty...
In your neighborhood?
No, it wasn't my neighborhood.
Oh,
It was
okay.
friends. It's pretty funny though.
I'm gonna have to get. I want a clip of this thing jumping now. Basically off-road.
There's some good spots. I know some spots.
Dude, I lost Colin. I already went. They went that way.
Yeah, he went that way.
And then I lost him.
Maybe do you think they went around? I don't know.
Careful. Oh, Jesus. Perfectly executed.
Wonderful.
Nice.
This is the Toyota corner, I guess.
Yeah, I see that. Then there's the RS.
There's two nice clean Toyotas and a dirty piece of
Dirty ass. Yeah, that box is mine. It's a Cressida.
That's a Cressida?
It's a Toyota at least.
That's the JZX32. What the license plate says. I don't know what that means. I know nothing about these cars.
I don't know about old Toyotas. It's not like these come into our dealership.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Every box of me has GoPro right there.
I love that.
Straight six.
You know, it's fucking hilarious. Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Wait, look. I can see my future. Nothing.
Darkness?
Dark. This thing's sick. I like it.
Dude, the
It's
interior.
clean.
I
Oh,
think
it
it
was.
is a Cressida.
That's sick. Get your game over, Kaiser. There's no parking spots.
God damn it. Hi, Doug. Hi.
What do you think, Aaron? For an event for Ken Block, is this good?
Yeah. Would he be
Too bad you didn't bring, no, because he didn't bring his RS.
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't bring it.
this is the meet for him.
Ken Block helped design the RS and you didn't even bring it.
Yeah,
He doesn't even have KB1s on it. You fucking whore.
Clown. Some 1552s. His originals.
Oh, really? Yeah, there's a set for sale on Marketplace.
Oh, really?
KB1s?
No, that's 1550, the Turbo Max.
Well, this is one of the biggest slush events I've ever been to. I'm gonna be getting ready to head out for a cruise. You guys gonna have fun?
Suck my balls.
Oh.
Hi.
Why?
Don't look at my boyfriend's balls.
That can't go in. There's no way that can go in. He's covering.
Why don't you cruise her over?
Everybody's heading out for the cruise. Oh my lord. What was that? Is that the Audi? Jeez. I wish I would have brought my bike, but it was cold where I live. It's not cold here.
They're out of this express.
Alright, so the slush meet was over. They all went for the cruise. Unfortunately, I wasn't going to take my truck on a cruise with them. But it was really nice that they did it for Ken Block. Now I'm back in here. STI, engine bay is pretty cleaned up now. Now I just pulled the fuel pump out. And I got a new Deechworks DW300. Ah, don't fall. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna set that up. That way I have everything kind of ready so I can go ahead and build the engine once I get it back in here. It's kind of a mess on my table right now, but we're gonna get some work done. Alright, so from what I can tell, first part is disconnecting. There's fuel everywhere. The electrical part, the electrical pump, the connectors to the pump, I turn it on, keep it running. Let me see if I can pop this off. Yeah, loosen it. I can't tell. Yeah. There it goes. The pliers are back in the car. Alright. So that's disconnected. I gotta disconnect. Oh, I gotta take out the baffle. Hold on. Or not the baffle, I don't know what it's called. A filter? I think a filter. This little metal bag filters at least some stuff. I really don't want to have to replace this whole system, so I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Okay, so this bag right here, disconnect feed line, yeah, pump feed line, I believe it is. I should grab my other pliers. Should've just done that from the start. Okay, there's his baffle. Oh, that was so easy. What am I doing wasting all my time like that? Boom. Just like that. So now, this came with a new rubber slot. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a new line, so I had to reuse this one. Ah, crap. Okay. Let's see if I cut into it. Yep. Alright. Well, then this is gonna have to wait. I need to get fuel line. Gosh darn it. Alright, funny story. It came with one. Now it's just a matter of setting this up properly. Does this come with a little... Yeah, it did. Again, really sorry for the mess. I'm not trying to be messy. There's a lot of parts on one table. I don't have much room here. There we go. This. Is this gonna be what does me in? A little clip? This is dumb. Okay. Okay, got it on. That was a fight. I got it. Where's the rubber at? Did I grab it? Oh, I did. So this thing's gonna sit in here like this. Should be like this, I believe. Either way. Pop this boy in. It's like so. It's not too bad. And this will sit in here like moi. I need to trim this a bit. Where's the new? Put this in here. I guess I should trim this first. There we go. So this is sitting in here. I only need about right here. I'm gonna undercut, hopefully. Okay, a little trimmy trim. Let me get the new clamp on here. Two new clamps on here. And then where's oh, let's double check this. Hopes that this is the right size. Okay. This rubber bushing is really gonna fight me. I'm gonna trim off just a tad. Oh, stupid. I can't even trim this anymore. Oh no! Contacting. here we have it. D-Truck CW300. I finally got to work. I definitely won't be including everything that, because that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Whoa. Hold on. But yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So now we gotta try to pop it back in this little tiny crevice that I somehow pulled it out of. Just in here. In case you guys are wondering where the pump is for 04 Subaru. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this back in. I'm gonna do that off camera though, because this thing has been fighting me. It's been a pain. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed. I enjoyed the slush meet. This was fun, my first experience, and it's actually not as difficult as I thought it was going to be. A couple of trims, a couple of little finesses here and there, but it's all a good time, and I hope you all enjoyed. See you on the next one. Adios.